What I wish I knew before calling a tow truck. Sometimes it's just your alternator. Here's how to check and fix it, fast. First, let's talk symptoms. If your Jeep Grand Cherokee's battery light is on, headlights are dim, or you're hearing weird noises under the hood, your alternator could be failing. Step 1. Pop the hood and locate the alternator. It's usually near the front of the engine with a belt wrapped around it. Step 2. Check the belt for cracks or looseness. A bad belt can stop the alternator from working. Step 3. Grab a multimeter and set it to DC volts. With the engine off, test the battery. Should read around 12.6 volts. Now, start the engine. If the voltage stays the same or drops, your alternator probably isn't charging. Step 4. Inspect the alternator wiring. Make sure all connections are tight and there's no corrosion. Step 5. If all else seems fine, the alternator itself may need replacing. You can swap it yourself with basic tools or ask a pro if you're not comfortable. And remember, fixing a faulty alternator early can save your battery and your wallet from bigger problems down the road. So next time your Grand Cherokee won't start, you'll know what to check first.